Hello, this one is Faisal Alam. Today I'm talking about basic physics. Basic physics. First of all, basic physics. Physics is nothing but in physics we study about natural law and natural phenomena. What we study in physics, physics is branch of science in which we study about natural law and natural phenomena. So in physics, first of all, we have to understand what do you mean by unit. In class 9th, we have to understand what do you mean by unit. Unit is basically the standard. It is a standard is used to measure a physical quantity. So what do you mean by physical quantity? Physical quantity, any quantity which can be measurable. Any quantity which can be measurable. Either if we talk about length, so length is basically what? It is a physical quantity. So in length will be measured in a meter. So meter is the standard to measure a length. If we talk about area, what will the measurement of area? Area is basically L into B. So it is the formula of area. So standard unit is meter into meter. So it will be meter square. If we talk about volume, so volume is what? L into V into H. So it will be meter into meter into meter. So it will be meter cube. Any quantity. If we talk about velocity, so velocity is what? It is the displacement ds by dt. So displacement is nothing but it is the shortest distance between the 2 points. The displacement is meter, time is second. So meter per second. If we talk about acceleration, so acceleration is what? It is the a is equal to dv by dt, change of velocity per unit time. So what will be velocity? Velocity is meter per second, a time is second. So it will be meter per second square. Any quantity which can be measured with a standard is called unit, and physical quantity is the quantity which can be measurable. Either if quantity is not measurable, so it is not physical quantity. If we talk about mango, so mango is a fruit. It is measurable in a kg. So kg is what? Kg is the standard to measure quantity. Are you getting my point? This is the very basic of physics. So if we talk about physical quantity, so physical quantity is further divided into three categories. First is a scalar, second is vector, and third is tensor. This one is not in my syllabus. Tensor is not studied in the 10th, 11, 12. So if scalar quantity is what? Those quantity which has only magnitude. So what do you mean by magnitude? Magnitude is basically is talk about value. If we talk about length, length is a scalar because it don't have direction. So if we talk about length, mass, time, temperature, area, it is all a scalar quantity. Further class we will talk about how we will identify a scalar and vector. So vector is what? Vector is talk about any physical quantity which has magnitude and direction and also follow vector addition rule. So what is vector addition rule? I will talk about in class what is vector addition rule. So if we talk about electric current has magnitude and direction, but they don't follow the vector addition rule. So that's why they are a scalar. They don't. This one is not a vector quantity. Electric current basically they have magnitude. Electric current is what? It is the formula I is equal to q by t. it has flow of charge, it has direction, it has magnitude, but this one is the scalar, this is not vector. Are you getting my point? So this is the very basic physics. Thank you.